Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a free website on mobile device. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android device, the steps remain the same. So the first thing you want to do is go into your device browser, and I'm going to be showing you two platforms on which you'll be able to not only get a free website, but also free hosting. The first option that I would recommend you give a try is Google Sites. So you're going to type in Google Sites. After you have typed in Google Sites, you want to request desktop version. So you're going to tap on the capital and common A in the search bar if you're on an iPhone. And if you're on an Android device, you'll simply tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on request desktop website. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Google Sites sign in, and you'll be led to this page. At the top, you'll see 3 templates that you can choose from, and you could also choose template gallery, and you will have a wider option of templates that you can choose from, meaning a layout of how you would like your website to look. Or if you would like to start with a blank slate, you could tap on blank. For this example, I'll be using the portfolio option. So I'll tap on portfolio, and here you'll be able to tap on any one of the sections and you can start changing it. So here I could tap on the photo, then tap on the 3 dots. Then I could select replace image, and I could replace the image. I can also change the header right here if I wanted to, and right where you see name of video, if I wanted to add a YouTube video, I could do that right here by tapping on the YouTube icon and add the video link. And by the way, if you would like an example of how it will look when you're finished, you can simply tap on the icons right beside the arrow in the top right hand corner, and you can get an example, as you can see right here, of how it will look on different devices. Then you can tap on the X. Another option that I would recommend when you're customizing your website on Google Sites is by turning off portrait mode. So you'll want to go on landscape. As you can see here, I've turned it off, and you'll simply turn your phone slant, and this will give you a better view while personalizing your website. As you can see right here, it looks a lot better now. And once you're finished customizing your website, you will tap on publish, and here you can see that my domain name will be sites.google.com/view simple the best. And if you would like to get a custom domain, you can simply tap on manage, and that's it. But this website is good enough for me, so I can simply tap on publish, and my website will be live and be able to rank on Google. Another platform that you can go on to create a free website is Wix. And the beauty about Wix is this platform doesn't offer like a 30-day trial period or anything like that. The website that you will be creating with Wix will be live on Google, and it will be up forever. The only thing about it is, just like Google Sites, if you want a more personalized domain name, you will have to purchase it. So all you need to do is go onto wix.com on your mobile device, then tap on get started. And from here, you can quickly sign in with your Google account. So I could tap on continue with Google. Then you can choose the Google account that you would like to sign up with. And you can see right there, it is creating my account. Once you have created your account, you can tap on get started. And from here, you can give them an example of what type of website you want to create. I'll simply be skipping these for now. After you have done that, you can tap on continue, as you can pick a theme that you would like to use. I'll tap on continue, then tap on build site. And you can see right here it is lining up my website editor. And once this is finished, you'll be able to start customizing your website on Wix. And again, this is completely free, so your website is free and also your hosting is free. And with Wix, you can also set up e-commerce stores on which you can sell items. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create a free website on your mobile device. As you can see right here, this looks lovely and you are able to personalize it however you want. You can simply tap on the place that you would like to replace the image, as you can see here. And the user interface on Wix is a lot better than when it comes to Google Sites on your mobile device.